Today in the grain market, the soybeans were a little bit lower. Now with that USDA report mostly neutral, I think some traders took some of that profit off the table. Monday that we can regroup and then kind of better digest these numbers to see if they're going to even move the needle at all and just really see what this means to the market. Today's range was at 1765 to 1746 and was really not able to get higher than yesterday's close. So it was kind of an inside day. November beans were just a half a point away from a double top. So technically speaking, the market is still pretty strong right now and still holding very close to the higher prices that we've seen over the last number of months here. But we're going into the weekend with a little bit off. And I think that there's also a possibility that we had with the CPI number coming out and the stock market selling off. We're down almost 1,700 points in 2 days. So that could be having a little bit more of an overlay on our grain market as well. The CVOL for soybeans is 27%. The soybean oil is 33.6, which is up. And also the meal is up too with 30.6%. Option open interest did have a little bit of a sell-off. 4,000 contracts in the call side were sold. And now we're going to be looking, as we go forward, we'll be looking towards the option expiration coming up. Now, corn was mixed today as well. That June WASDE report was kind of quiet, and that's really expected. The market seems just to be taking a rest. Even though sales were up week over week, the futures 16-cent range from a report is, kind of a nothing burger at this point right now. The option open interest actually added to the calls by 1,300 contracts. So that's a little bit interesting. But remember, too, that there's still 285,000 open interest on the call side and 267,000 open interest on the put side in July alone. So that's going to be very interesting as we approach option expiration. Now, the CVOL for corn is at 36.5%. And even though the futures closed, pretty steady. Now, wheat was firm. That slower start in export sales for the marketing year, which began June 1st, kind of just it had the market moving a little bit sideways. But that first 10 minutes after the report set the day's 20-cent range, and then that was it. So the USDA report just seems to be a formality a little bit. So we're looking to Monday to kind of reset ourselves to find out where's the real market direction coming from. Now, CVOL is at 44% for wheat. And of course, with the Dow down and the options going in next week, the market just kind of ended today with a little bit of a fizzle.